Alright, hey everyone, this video is for people who are just starting to get into 3D modeling and don't exactly know where to start. So this video is for you. Alright, well let's get right into it. So first thing you want to do is you're going to find the 2D picture that you want to reference. For me, I'm going to use a Porsche silhouette that I found. You don't have to rename it the same thing that I do, it doesn't really matter. But then you're going to want to do, usually if it converts to a WebP file, then you would need to convert it to a PNG or a JPEG file. So in order to do that, you just go to any convert website. Alright, so now it's done. The next thing you want to do is you want to go remove the background of the PNG. So go to Remove.bg. I'll have a link in the description. Then you just want to remove the background. The next thing that you need to do is you obviously need a 3D animation software. For me, I use the software called MatterControl by MatterHacks. It's the most basic, it's the most user-friendly and beginner-friendly software for 3D modeling. And that's just the one that I use. So you go to the website, I'll have the link in the description. It's free to download. Alright, so once you have it downloaded, you're going to open a new design. Then you'll start in with a model. So you're just going to right click on it and then click on remove. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to find the image converter and then drag it out to the middle of the bed. You'll just double click on the right side over here and then select the file that you remove the background from, the 2D image that you would like to convert to a 3D model. And then once you insert it, it should automatically convert, and that should be it. As you can see, it is now 3D. It's not just one picture. And then over here, you can change the height and the surface area. You can play around with it as you like. So I'm going to export it as an STL file because I'm on Mac and STL is more compatible with Mac. So name it whatever, and then I'm going to put it into my 3D models folder. And there you have it. If this video helped you out, make sure you subscribe.